Hey folks, welcome to the BookFunnel Feature Spotlight. My name is Jack. I'm our lead author support specialist here at BookFunnel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a sample link to your BookFunnel landing pages. Now, right now, I'm on the BookFunnel dashboard under my book details. This is where you'll want to go first if you're going to set up a sample link for your book. So find your book on your dashboard, and you can see we can review all the book details here and the files and so forth. We actually need to scroll down to enable our sample settings. You can see here beneath watermarking, we have the option to enable an ebook sample. And this allows us to select chapters from our book and make a sample for all of our sign-up pages, universal book links, and other landing pages that we use for that book. So we just have to check the box to include a sample for this ebook and then select the contents that we want included. So in this case, we might choose the cover, title page, and everything up through, let's say, chapter 2. So readers can read the first 2 chapters without downloading the book or having to purchase it, and they get a chance to sample it. Then we just click Save Sample Settings, and this sample is now enabled for this book. All right, now we're looking at the landing page details for one of our email collection pages that's associated with the book that we just activated a sample for. It's important that the landing page you want the sample link to appear on is connected to the book that you just activated the sample for. In this case, we're using an email collection page. This will also work with a universal book link page. This will not work with a simple download page, and that's because simple download pages already allow readers to read the entire book directly through a Read Now link on the simple download page. Simple download pages don't collect emails though, so readers could also just download the whole book. If you're using a simple download page, readers essentially already have access to that. But if you're giving away a reader magnet, you're likely using an email collection page. Or if you're using a universal book link and readers are clicking through to go purchase your book on another store, the sample link allows them to read that sample first before they download and join your mailing list or choose to purchase the book. So what we need to do here is actually edit our landing page. So we'll go up to the action button and edit our page details. When we scroll down, we're going to go to our landing page settings. And under our settings here down at the bottom, we can see that we have the option to include a sample link for this book. So we activated it on our book details, and we actually have the option to turn an offer on for this landing page. It's already turned on, so that means the sample is there on the landing page, and we have the option to add custom link text. This is the link that will appear on the landing page, so you can customize this. By default, it says read a sample in your browser, but you can change this text to be whatever you want with a 100 character maximum. Then we have a couple more options here. We can, by default, link back to the page, the original landing page, at the end of the sample. We can include a custom call to action where I can choose to format this text however I want and add links and so forth, or don't include a call to action at the end of the sample at all. It just ends. Perhaps there's a link you already have in the content of your book, and that's just fine. That's where you might want to use that option. We're going to go with the default, though, where we link back to the landing page at the end of the sample. This is an email collection page, so readers who have read the sample, we want them to go back and join our mailing list. So that's why we're going to choose that option in this case. We'll go ahead and click Save and Close, and now the sample is on our landing page. So here we are on the email collection page that we just added the sample link to. And you can see that readers have the option to click the Get My Book button, where they can submit their email, but before that, they can read the sample here in their browser by clicking this link. When they click this link, it brings them to the BookFunnel Cloud Reader, where they can then scroll through those sections of the book that we had given them access to under our book details settings. So you can see here, we go all the way through chapter 2, and then we have the call to action here. Sign up now to continue reading. This will take them back to the original landing page where they can then join our mailing list. And you'll see here, they can submit their name and their email. claim the full book, and go from there. So that's how you set up an ebook sample on your dashboard and add it to your landing pages. There's obviously some more things you can do with this feature in order to optimize it depending on what type of landing page you're using. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. We'll see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching. Check out these other videos from BookFunnel, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.